leaving Tulum. So somebody needs to take me on vacation right now because what? Hey babes, hey guys, and my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be back today, and I'm coming with a new video. So today I'm going to show you how I install this beautiful wig on my head. I absolutely love it. This hair has been provided by Wiggins hair. This is a 5x5 HD 24-inch lace closure, and I love it. I wanted to have some curly hair for a long time, and finally I got one. So thank you so much to Wiggins hair for sponsoring this video, and let's get straight to the video. I have nothing else to say. The hair came in this silk bag with a HD wig cap and a little pink brush. It's a HD 5x5 lace closure, and the curls, oh my god. I started by putting my wig cap, and I put a little bit of makeup to match my skin. It was pointless for me to do the bold cap method because it's a 5x5 closure, and it's glueless. I really love the curls. It's just a perfect wavy wig for me. And the lace, let me tell you, it comes pre-plucked with the band inside, and it really makes the install easy so you can wear it glueless. So I started by adjusting my wig cap, and I was feeling myself, you can see. First thing, I went with my ebbing gel because I wanted a more realistic look, but you can wear it glueless, so it's totally mandatory. And on top of that, I add my got to be glue because I want the lace to be melting with my skin. Then I dry it a little bit and I put my lace right on top of the glue. I really wanted a nice install because I don't like to do my hair in the morning, so I really wanted this hair to last. After that, I add my bangs for extra melt, and I went to style my hair while everything was melting. I just add water and I was running my fingers through the hair to define my curls. That's it. I didn't add any extra product. Then I went with my diffuser head that I got at my local beauty supply, and it's supposed to make your curls look bomb. And honestly, I wasn't mad about it because it did the job. The curls was giving. Then I took my band off, and I was shocked. What? Look at the lace melting. Oh, Jesus. Then I dry it a little bit more, and I cut my lace with my razor. I had a little bit of demarcation, so I went back with my foundation to fix that. And I add some got to be glue for another extra melt. At this stage, I cannot see the lace anymore. I couldn't see the lace anymore. Everything was just blending with my skin. So the lace is really good. Honestly, I was impressed with the lace. The quality, it was a real HD lace. So I went with my hot comb one more time to be able to define my baby hair. So I combed the hair backwards and I combed the baby hair forward. Then I went with the razor to cut the baby hair, then the little curling iron to curl upwards. After that, I decided to style the hair again with some water, and I run my finger one more time. This is the finished look. That was my first time installing a wig on my head by myself, and it was really easy to do it. I was impressed with the result. When it comes to the hair, honestly, very good quality. I experienced a little bit of shading, which is normal, but it wasn't crazy. And everything is just perfect. I was just impressed by the lace. Honestly, the lace is lacing. Get into it.
So babe, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this hair, and let me tell you something, that was my very first time installing my hair by myself, and I did good, right? Let me know in the comment down below what you think about my install. Thank you to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video. This is one more time a 24-inch curly hair. It's a 5x5 HD lace closure, and I absolutely love it. I mean, look at this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my different social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know in the comment down below what do you want to see next. On this note, see you in my next video.